In a vast, mysterious underwater world, hidden beneath the opalescent waves, resided a creature unlike any other, the electric eel, whose power was as enigmatic as its origins. Named Volt, the eel was the guardian of the seabed, silently patrolling the dark depths with his electrifying presence. One day, Volt encountered a curious young octopus named Ollie, who was known for his insatiable curiosity. Ollie, eager to learn about Volt's abilities, approached the electric eel, who, although initially guarded, found in Ollie a kindred spirit. Volt shared his story, explaining how his electric powers protected the underwater world from the treacherous attacks of the deep-sea predators. However, Volt confessed that his powers came with a heavy burden, as his abilities made him feel isolated from others. Ollie, empathetic and wise beyond his years, offered a solution. He suggested that Volt share his powers with the other inhabitants of the underwater world, thereby alleviating the weight of his responsibilities and fostering unity among them. Volt initially resisted, fearing he would lose control over his powers. But Ollie reassured him, pointing out that true strength lies not in isolation, but in unity and cooperation. Intrigued, Volt agreed and, with Ollie's guidance, shared his formidable powers with the underwater creatures. As the currents began to pulse with electricity, the underwater world was transformed. Predators were deterred, and a sense of unity and cooperation grew among the inhabitants. Volt realized that his powers were not a curse, but a gift meant to be shared with others. In the years that followed, Volt and Ollie became the beacons of hope for their underwater kingdom, teaching others the importance of unity and the power of selflessness. Their story served as a reminder that our strengths are not meant to be hoarded, but shared, and that true power lies in the bonds we forge with one another. In the end, the electric eel and the curious octopus showed the underwater world that the most valuable gift we can give is our strength, and that even the most enigmatic of creatures can find meaning and connection in the embrace of unity.